Alright, can you guys see me? Listen, I know it's been a minute, guys. We should talk. But first, let's watch the Type R. Let's watch the Type R. This might be the first time I've washed her in like 5 months, maybe. Alright, and without further ado, let's get into it. It's been a long time, guys. I know. I have been living my life, to be honest with you, and I could not be happier. I just honestly haven't been uploading on YouTube, and recently I figured I'd give it another go. Why not? I always thought it was fun. I always liked editing more than anything, and I kind of miss editing and stuff. So that was kind of the main thing with wanting to come back to YouTube right now. A few things I want to go through in this video though is kind of like give you guys an update on the Type R, what I'm currently driving, what has happened to my other cars, and my current channel plans and the directions I want to go. Pretty much update on the Type R. I haven't done anything to this car. I literally haven't. I haven't done any single mod since the, I don't know how many year update that last video was. So pretty much if you've seen that video, I can link it up here or here, wherever it's going to be. And if you want a quick update on the mods and the stuff on this car, go for it. But if you want a quick rundown from me right now, so right now I'm working with full PRL bolt-ons. So intercooler, downpipe, mid-pipe, what else do I have? Inlet pipe, intake, all that is PRL. Hondata tune on the car, off-the-shelf Hondata tune. Eibach lowering springs, QED relocator pedal. I know I'm forgetting something. I'm pretty sure I am. These boys right here, TE37 SLs, baby. That's about it really when it comes to mods. The car makes good power. It's fun, it's streetable. That's all I really want is a reliable, streetable car. And that was the main thing for this, to be something I can daily drive and take to the track and not really have any heat issues. That was my main goal for this car, and I feel like I achieved that. But I do want to do a V2 for this car. I really do want to do a V2, but we'll get to that later. Right now, I am dailying a Tesla Model 3. I know. Some of y'all are probably thinking, why a Tesla? But listen, they're damn good dailies. I'll tell you that right now. They're damn good dailies. So the EK hatch. I fully built the long block of the G18.
What? Oh, what are you talking about, man?
The B18, why did I say G18? The B18, and I sold that, and I also sold the EK hatch. I sold the EK hatch for like $1,500 more than I bought it for, so I was more than willing to let that car go. The B18 swap we were gonna do, sold that too, so I said goodbye to the Tundra. So remember, I did have a Tundra I was dailying, so one day I went to go to work one morning and went to turn on the car, and then all I heard was a roar. And I was like, yeah, they got me. So yeah, if you haven't figured that out yet, I got my cat stolen.
Bro, why the fuck would you guys do this shit to me? Bro, you can't have shit.
Yeah, my cats got stolen in the Tundra, so instead of replacing the cats, it was an old truck already. I was just like, just forget about it. And then I ended up dailying the Type R since then. So from the time I had the Tundra to 6 months ago when I got my Tesla Model 3, I have been dailying the Type R. So now I'm just dailying the Tesla. I don't have the Tesla here right now. My wife took it to work. I got the whole week off, so I figured I'd make some content this week. Bada boom. She has the Tesla. I will make a separate video on the Tesla Model 3. It is long range, all-wheel drive, and that car is fast and it hooks, and I love it. That is a fun car. I'm not gonna lie to you, that is a fun car. I think you guys will like it too when I make a video about it. If not, it is what it is. It is what it is. So V2 for this car. What I really want to do is I really want to build the interior on this car, just like fun stuff, fun bits. Kind of want to get away from the TE37s. I mean, I want to keep them, but I do want to run a different setup. I don't know what yet, but hey, we can put down in the comments what you guys think I should run on the Type R. Other than that, I also want to track this car more. I've been doing a lot of POV driving lately. You guys have seen that on Instagram. I have uploaded a short, and the video before this was a POV at Lime Creek, which is the Austin Toge. I do want to hit up more car meets. I really want to do that. Like, I really want to get way deep back in the car scene. Not like deep, but just like being present in it in the local car scene. I think that'll be fun. A bunch of my coworkers, they got some pretty nice cars too, so I want to make some content with them. That'll be fun. A couple of them were in my last video, so yeah. But that is pretty much it. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. I plan on having more content drop this week. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update video on what's going on with me and the car. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, like I said earlier, I've just been working mostly, handling priorities in life for the most part, you know. Just been building with my future wife. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys real soon in the next video. Your boy Cyrus is out.